are you doing?
Harvesting kale off the tower garden. So much fun. And what are you doing?
I'm just watching you very creepily.
Do you want to help?
Sure. Why not? Okay.
I've got kale.
Okay.
And you help me with the Swiss chard. So what we need to harvest today is kale, curly leaf kale, Swiss chard.
What about some cilantro? Look how much cilantro there is.
Possibly.
I think
I was
so.
thinking doing for a salad. I'm not
Well,
sure.
you could put cilantro on a salad. It'd be great, right, everybody? Yes. Yes. Cilantro on a salad. Deal. Done.
Start with the greens, and then we'll
These
put
are
cilantro
green.
on top.
Exactly. On the salad. Sure.
Okay, and then
one.
you know to go for the biggest leaves.
You go for the big ones and you go at the bottom, right?
Yes, because if you leave stem, it's just wasted stem. But what I also learned, and this is really exciting, from the Tower Garden creator, instead of doing just one at a time, we can't do that with those, but with the kale we can. We take the scissors and group it all together.
Where are you cutting?
And then cut above where it's growing. So there's like so you're not cutting the little leaves. And then it's like way quicker.
How long has it been since we started growing this thing now?
I'm not sure the exact date. It was right before Thanksgiving is when we put it together. So this is about the 6-week mark. Maybe 6.5 weeks, maybe 7.
And this is our first real harvest, right?
So I've harvested kale and some Swiss chard, and we've heavily harvested cilantro already. But this is going to be the biggest all Tower Garden salad that we're going to do for dinner tonight. And I'm so excited!
Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
So 6 weeks and full growth. I was actually talking to another one of my Tower Garden customers. She's got a Tower Garden, and she actually has a green thumb, very unlike myself. And she's grown a lot of stuff outside.
Plants very regularly.
I'm working on killing this one right here. I'm doing pretty good as long as I put Tower Garden stuff in it. If I stick the little cup in the Tower Garden when I'm like messing with it, I'll fill that little thing up, and it seems to be happier than previous, which is nice. But this, okay, where was I going? Oh, she was telling me she has beans. She's growing bush beans on her Tower Garden, and she's only had hers for 3 weeks, and she said that comparative to her normal garden, she had about 6 weeks of growth in her Tower Garden, and it had only been 3 weeks.
Double.
So that was kind of cool, because I can't make a statement like that because I can't grow stuff without a Tower Garden very well. So I wouldn't be true to myself and be like, oh my God, this is so much better than when I do it in the... Well, I can say it's so much better than when I do it in the ground because I kill everything in the ground, so this is better.
What do you think of the Swiss chard? Come on, look. Maybe a couple more? Like this one back here?
Yeah, maybe this guy.
Grab that one. And then this one too.
Boom. So this is full. I'm not even done. Are you leaving me?
I'm waving to everybody.
Hi. Hello.
I'm just waving because...
Thanks for watching. Happy Sunday.
Okay.
Happy Harvest Sunday.
Can we turn this thing? Is that enough Swiss chard? What do you think? Do you want to take some more off?
Well, this is a lot, so let's just go with that. And
Best part, she can just spin it.
I know, it's kind of cool.
You spin it, and then...
So you can see the kale, what I'm doing. So this
Bang.
is the plant. Oh, this is the one I've harvested.
Yes. Well, yes, all the things that are cut off.
And this one, maybe we should not harvest this one and harvest it tomorrow and just eat that. Do you think that's enough for the both of us?
Yes. But there's spinach, too. Can we get the spinach? Over there.
Spinach is on the...
You rotated it, so
Oh,
rotate
it's
it
too
more.
far away.
Keep
Well,
rotating it.
let's go backwards.
Sure.
So we'll do
There's a
kale.
fan there.
We'll do kale one
What about
other
the Boc
day.
Choy? We have a ton of Boc Choy here.
Okay, that too.
Look
So we'll
at
keep
that.
one of the kales for later, and we'll not harvest
Okay,
it all
you go for the
today.
spinach. I'll go for some Boc Choy.
Okay,
Double
perfect.
team. Go.
Go.
It tastes really good too. You'd be surprised. This stuff tastes really, really good.
I would have to say that's been one of my wins with him and his brother when I had the tower garden at their apartment in Phoenix. Is I've got a couple pictures of them having like a business conversation, just hanging around the tower garden, and they were both like grazing off of it. So they were like picking stuff off, and they were like eating as they were having a conversation, and it was like.
And of course, she has to stick the camera in your face and go, "What are you doing?" Like we don't know that she's got the camera like this. What are you doing? Yeah, you know exactly what I'm talking about.
But it was
She's
such a
very
win.
notorious for that.
It's such a win to have someone just like graze on the tower garden, especially kids. If you have kids that don't eat vegetables, a tower garden is an amazing way to have them eat vegetables because if they get to plant it,
If they get to grow it, they're
and then get to
involved
see
in
it,
They're involved.
and then they get to pick it, and then be like, "Oh my gosh, can I eat it?" And then
You know that feeling. Whenever you're involved in something, you enjoy it more. So, like, if you get, like, kids involved in growing things, yeah, they're going to be more involved and want to taste what they're growing. It just makes sense.
and it's sweet. I've never had broccoli that was as sweet as what I got off a tower garden. And this is my first time growing spinach. I'm so excited. I've failed a couple times at spinach, so this is my first indoor and my first spinach.
We got a lot of broccoli.
ever.
We got broccoli. We're going to have broccoli soon. Oh! Oh, and look at this guy. Can you see this down here? Let me see. Let me see if you can actually see that. You can't. So I'm going to move this down a tiny bit. Hold this. So there's actually snow peas down at the bottom that we're growing. It is amazing. Yes, it is so much fun. So, like right here, this is actually snow peas, and we thought of a really cool way because it likes to grab and attach onto other things. I've just kind of noticed. We're wrapping it around the tomato cage here, and it's actually starting to really twirl around. So we had this idea that we'll just kind of twirl it around the entire cage, and it'll be like a kind of like a little vineyard kind of thing. It'd be really cool. What else do we got? We got the Boc Choy. Is that enough of the Boc Choy?
No, we take a couple more big leaves.
So yes, there's lots of things to harvest here. You might want to move the camera because it's pointed down now.
It is.
Wow, there's so much.
Let me just do this.
There.
Cameraman change.
Okay, there.
And spinach.
That's
Boop.
it's
Fell over.
Down goes the tripod.
And then you go down here, and then I just use my fingernails.
Yeah, just kind of clip it together.
And so
Hi, Taylor. I don't know if you're still watching. Okay.
Yes, Ariana would love it. If she's a kid, yes.
Yes, she would.
All
Ariana
kids
would
love tower
Ariana
gardens.
would love it.
So much fun.
Okay, that's good.
All right,
here.
so that-
Now, what's about some cilantro? Like this grew. We actually harvested this last Wednesday.
This Wednesday. 4 days ago.
This Wednesday, and it was basically nothing.
And I
now,
harvested both
now
of these heavily.
Yeah, we are definitely going to get some more of this.
So thank you for watching. This is the first official, real major tower garden harvest, and we will tell you
It
how.
smells so good.
We will tell you
I
how.
love cilantro.
Dinner, lunch, dinner. It'll be dinner.
It's already dinner time, so yes, it'll be dinner. Yes.
And hello. She says hi, Michael.
Hi.
Okay, so this is it. First official tower garden harvest. Happy Sunday. We will talk to you soon.
No.